Hello, everyone. Welcome to the sixth episode of Humans of Atypical. We are very, very glad to have all of you with us. And I'm honestly very grateful to be here this evening because we will be in conversation with two amazing and outstanding artists of ours. And before that, I want to share some good news with you. Last week, Atypical Advantage launched its first ever campaign called the Portrait Perfect Valentine, and it has done exceedingly well. We are so overwhelmed with the responses and love that we received from all of you. So we are very, very grateful. And for anyone who doesn't know what is Portrait Perfect Valentine, well, it's a campaign where our artists with disability are creating portraits for your loved ones. So by loved ones, it could be anybody who is special to you. It could be your student, it could be your grandfather, it could be your sister, it could also be you. So our artists are creating portraits made from various mediums. So we have somebody making portrait from latte coffee, we have someone making portrait digitally, and our artist Anjan Satish, he will be making a live portrait for us in under 5 minutes through digital portrait making. So we are very excited for this today. And you can order your portrait from atypicaladvantage.in. In case you forgot that Valentine's Day is day after tomorrow, or you're confused about what to give to your loved one. Sometimes, words aren't enough to express your love, or sometimes, even our gestures aren't enough. So you can use this way of expressing your love and help us help you create a portrait which will capture your loved one till eternity. So log on to www.atypicaladvantage.in and check out our artists who are making these portraits, and they'll be more than happy to make a portrait for you and help you gift your loved one something that will be a lasting gift. So having said this, let me introduce our first guest for today. We have Anjan Satish and his father Satish. So both of them are here with us. And Anjan is extremely, extremely talented at what he does. He has cerebral palsy, and despite that, he is such an amazing artist. He has won numerous awards, and he is also teaching in a school to 400 children. I think that's extremely inspiring, because in our times, if someone is ready to share their skills with other people, I think that is such a beautiful gift. And so today we'll be hearing from Anjan, and we'll be hearing about his story and what his journey has been like and what has made him into this amazing human being that he is today. So if we could hear from Anjan.
Good evening to all. First of all, let me thank Atypical Advantage for giving such an opportunity to introduce Anjan to all of you. Actually, this is a wonderful platform for us. We have been waiting for such a long time. Actually, this is the first for Anjan. This is the first web platform. He is showcasing his talents to the public at large. He has never been to such a platform in his during his lifetime, and we are very much grateful to all the people who are behind this great venture. Let me say about Anjan first. He is a cerebral palsy afflicted youth. He is now 30 years old. We are staying at Kochi in Kerala, in Ernakulam district. Anjan is born with cerebral palsy. He is having multiple challenges. Actually, he is glaucoma affected. He is having eyesight only in one eye. He is totally profound deaf, and he cannot speak utter any words. He is crippled also by doing some 12 surgeries on his knees and his hips. He is now able to move with calipers, crutches. His mobility is very much restricted, and he has done his education in normal school, though he is having such difficulties. He has completed his 10th class in normal school, And after that, he has completed his 12th through National Open Schooling System. Now he is attending to a special school where around 400 children are there with the cerebral palsy, autism, Down syndrome, and all. He has done a course in animation in Toons Animation Academy, and he is very expert in animation area also. He is doing architectural animations. He is doing paintings. He is doing graphics. He is doing illustrations. He is giving logos to various companies, corporates. He is doing cartoons, caricatures. He is doing watercolor paintings, acrylic paintings. He's basically an artist. He's known as an artist nowadays, actually. That is what I say is in a nutshell, I can tell about him.
Right. So good to hear, Uncle. I think his talent is seen in all of his work. So if anyone checks out his portraits and paintings, I think they'll be amazed. He's doing an amazing and awesome job. Also, it's so encouraging to hear all the challenges that he's faced and yet been able to look out for these opportunities and been doing this on a regular basis. I think that is so amazing of him to still, try and continue doing whatever he's good at, and then doing it to his best of his ability. I think that is something so important. So what got Anjan interested in art? Like
in the initial childhood, he was in the activities of painting during his childhood itself. When he was a 3-year or 4-year-old, he started drawing actually pictures. Because he is having a lot of communication problem. How he used to communicate with us is by drawing some pictures, which we do not understand through his lips. So immediately he catches a pencil and he draws that picture through which he used to communicate us. But we never encouraged at that time because we want him to speak some words through his mouth. And when he had to undergo some surgery in his legs, there was no other way, but he was not attending to school and he was laying in the bed. So I thought of him do whatever he likes at that time. So I gave him a lot of pencil colors, papers and everything. And at that time only he started drawing a lot of pictures actually. In the schools also he make friends by drawing a lot of paintings in their notebooks. So he was having a lot of friends in the schooling. He make friends by giving drawings in their notebooks and giving science works and all. He used to draw all the drawings by him only, to his friends. So that is why he made his friends actually at that time. So at the 10th year, I made an exhibition of his paintings. Around 150 paintings was made, and that was exhibited in Kochi by Amarthanandamayi Mutt actually. It attracted a lot of people, and a lot of people encouraged his painting works. So we thought of, I decided that his way of life is art only. So I thought that he's having the positive faculty in art line only. So I never discouraged him from drawing after that. He has done almost more than 1 lakh caricatures so far during the last 30 years. He has drawn almost all prominent, eminent personalities in India, from APJ Abdul Kalam, Pranab Mukherjee, Sachin Tendulkar, Shashi Tharoor, A.K. Antony, from judiciary, film world, politics, he has met almost all prominent personalities in India. Through him, I could also meet them, actually.
That's amazing. Anjan, hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Now I will ask Anjan to draw a caricature of.
Yeah, while we are talking, Anjan, you can draw the caricature for everyone to see.
Okay, he will draw a caricature of Ria itself, okay?
Yes. Excited to see you draw.
He will share his screen drawing, yes, so that everybody can see while we talk.
Okay. Yes, Uncle, while we talk. Yes, Uncle. So, Uncle, what has So when he's teaching in the school, so what is
Yes.
that like? How is his experience as a teacher?
We were having a lot of apprehensions while he was given a post of drawing teacher in that special school actually, because he doesn't have any this hearing and speech, But almost 90% students have uh, speech and hearing in the school. We were afraid how he is going to manage that with this children. But the feedback I got, and now he has almost completed 9 years in that school. All the parents are very much happy about Anjan's performance in the school.
Wow.
Many parents used to tell that it is Anjan who has found that their children can draw such and such things, and that they never knew in their life.
Right.
So he's a very good teacher, and everybody is happy about his service in that school. Even during this lockdown period, also he has done a lot of online classes to the students. To the normal public also he is giving. In one of his platforms, there are 240 students from all over the world to attend his drawing classes.
Wow. So that's so amazing, Uncle. I think him being able to teach to so many people and inspire, through like, I think words is what we give so much value to, but I think there are so many other ways of expressing. And like you said, right, that he used to, from a very young age, draw and express what he's trying to tell you. So I think there is so much beauty in being able to do things without using words. And I think him being able to do it so beautifully is such an inspiration. Yes, Uncle. So, Uncle, what if you were to give a message out there today to the parents or to anybody, what would that be, from his life, from his learnings? What would something that even you have learned from him that you want others to know about?
First thing, the parents, when we get a child like this, to accept it as a reality.
Right.
That is the first thing we have to do. Not only our family should get support to make these children groom into a fruitful life actually.
Right.
That is also very important. Then we should never see their disabilities. We should look into the things that they can do by themselves, and we should give all the support and all the environment for them to develop those talents which they have with them. We should never think about the defects or abnormalities they are having. We should think about the positive faculties that they have left with them. That is the main thing we have to do.
Yes, I think that is also Atypical Advantage's message, like why Atypical Advantage exists is so that we concentrate on the abilities of people. And I think this message that you are sending out there is so important for us to realize that we accept the reality. Yes, Uncle.
This is the normalcy. For us only, it is abnormal because we compare with we people, normal people. For them, this is their normality. And they have to live with this normality, and they have to live until their death with this normality.
So a new normal, and this is the normal for them, and so this should be considered to be a normal, which is very rightly pointed out, Uncle. Right? Yeah. So I think there's so much to learn from Anjan's life, and you've rightly said that parents have to accept this as a reality and also concentrate in pushing them in what they are good at. So I think that is definitely what you have done with Anjan, and he's become so good at what he's doing right now. Like we can all see his artwork happening, the caricature that he's making right now.
Not only that, they should mingle with the society.
Right.
Whatever they can do for the society, we should allow them to do for them. For as far as Anjan is concerned, from the 10th year onwards, he was giving drawing greeting cards, New Year greeting cards, Christmas cards for his schools. And it has been sold in lakhs and lakhs during this last 20 years. And lakhs and lakhs rupees he has given as donation to this school. So that is one of the social service he is doing for the last 20-25 years. Then he is a volunteer of Cochin Cancer Society. All the programs Anjan is attending, and he is giving caricatures to almost all cancer patients. He is going to visiting cancer wards in the general hospitals, and he is making happy these cancer patients by giving their caricatures. He has given collectors lot of funds for flood victims by doing live caricature shows.
Wow.
And he's doing a lot of social works also doing like this.
He definitely is very inspiring, uncle. I think his story and the person that he is today is so challenging to us, because it challenges us to ask ourselves that what are we doing as people, and are we doing it to the best of our ability. So this is something so amazing to learn from Anjan, and his story definitely is something that is inspiring a lot of people. I heard that more than 6,000 followers he has on Facebook from all around the globe, and so many people follow his work so closely. So how is his experience with people on social media?
APJ Abdul Kalam was very much fond of him actually, because Anjan has an opportunity to draw him live. He stood before Anjan for about 5 minutes, and he gave him a caricature. After seeing Anjan, after 5 years, when he released this is a turning point, he rightly remembered this his meeting with Anjan, and he put that photograph in that book.
Oh.
Anjan's work is exhibited in Rashtrapati Bhavan, Children's Art Gallery also. Sri Pranab Mukherjee, while he was president, when Anjan got his national award, he invited us for a special meeting with him to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. We visited 2 days in Rashtrapati Bhavan with Anjan. So we are having a lot of golden moments which Anjan has gave us during our lives.
Right. Yeah, I mean, this is a lesson even for us to realize that if we hold someone down just because of their disability, if we don't look at their ability, then we are missing out on a lot of things in our own lives. So I think Anjan has given all of you so much, and he's been such a good son to you. So I think there is so much that these children, even with disability, can give to us. Our misconceptions on this can be so wrong, but I think there is still so much to be grateful for, and he does it with so much gratitude, and I can see it in all of his work that I have gone through. Then there's so much gratefulness even in his heart despite everything else. So it's something so wonderful to witness. And yeah, I can see my caricature happening. It is so beautifully being done. Thank you so much, Anjan, for this.
He's busy in drawing.
Yeah. Yes, uncle. Wow. This is really amazing. Yes, uncle. Sorry, you were saying.
He is the icon of Kerala Cartoon Academy actually now.
Okay. Wow.
He is an honorary member of Rotary. He is an honorary member of Cartoon Academy of Kerala.
Right.
He is a member among 250 world cartoonists.
Oh, wow. Wow. So on a daily basis, uncle, what does his day look like on a daily basis? What is his schedule like?
Daily, he has a lot of works in drawing actually. A lot of orders he is getting from various pairs. We are not sorted as a professional way, but a lot of friends through this Facebook and this corporates also approaches Anjan to get the caricatures done by Anjan. 20 caricatures he is doing, all coming through this friendship connections only actually. He used to almost 90% we are giving it free to them. We have not done it any.
Yeah.
So far, we have started anything professionally actually. So now we are thinking that he should start something through paintings or something like this and send it to the public so that he can start an earning for himself.
Yeah.
I
Thank
think
you.
this platform will help him to do
Do
that.
that. Definitely. We are so honored to have him on our platform. Thank you so much, Anjan. We can all see his caricature that he's made. It's so amazing. Thank you, Anjan, for being with us. Thank you, Satish, for sharing his story. I think we can all learn to be grateful and we can learn to accept our children's reality. And
color caricature also for you.
thank you. Thank you so much, Anjan. Thank you. I'm very grateful to you. And I'm very grateful to both of you for coming here this evening and talking to us and sharing about Anjan's story.
Okay.
So thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will now introduce our second guest for today, Julian Mehta and his mother, Manju. So they are here with us. Julian is autistic and he's an all-rounder. So Julian can do a lot of things in his day, which even I can't. So he goes for cooking classes. He goes and plays keyboard on a daily basis. He also does all the shopping work. He does a lot of things, that is very, very, very hard to do in one's normal day. So I'm very amazed by what all Julian does. So we are going to hear from Julian today about his life and about his journey so far and how he's become into this amazing artist that he is. So Julian, if you can switch on, Manju, if you can switch on your camera and mic. Your mic is off. Yes.
Abhi?
Hi, Manju. Hi,
Hi.
Julian.
Hi.
Hello, Julian. How are you?
Bye. Bye. अभी हम लोग ऐसे कर दे. Yeah.
Yes.
So,
So why don't you share with us, Manju, a little bit about how he's become into this all-rounder person and this personality that he has, which he does so many things on his own. He's so independent. So what has made him into this person today?
actually, he's a premature baby, and he had conversions when he was born. And at that moment only, the doctor had told that he will have some defects when he's growing, because when he was born, he was 8 months old, and he had damaged his brain in 1 second, and the doctor had told me that he will be special child, and we accepted him as he was. Actually, we started, my journey started with a very difficulty, but we accepted him as he was, and I tried my best. I just had a confidence in myself that I will make him independent, I will make him grow as a normal person.
Yes.
And then I was in Kathmandu when he was born. Then we came to Mumbai for his all the therapies and all this special doctors and all that. We never had facility in Kathmandu. And then my journey started, taking him to the physiotherapies, speech therapies and all that. When he was 3, he was admitted in this. He was in Dilku Special School. At that time, there was no awareness of this autistic or anything,
Okay.
in Mumbai. And I was also new in Mumbai.
Right.
And slowly, he started progressing physically. And then I started one of the therapy from US, that is gland dominance therapy. And then I started, because whenever I used to take him to the libraries or anything, he loved to eat, and he loved to see the magazines and all, food and all that.
Wow.
So, that time only I realized that he is more interested. I tried my everything for academy and everything, NIOS, everything. But then I realized that he is interested in this. And then he used to take the page and he used to draw anything, any draw, and he used to color crayons and all that. Then I just realized that why don't he learn some coloring and some sketches like that. So I called one of the sir, and then he started doing painting and the coloring and all of that. Then he realized that he can do better in paintings, So he started here with the brush, and more paintings is done with his thumb,
Wow.
with thumb and that finger and the vegetables and all that.
Wow.
Then, slowly that we started simple paintings, and then we started canvas painting. He started painting on canvas. And we have last year, 2020, we have got one calendar also with his paintings.
Wow.
This year we wanted to do more, but this year due to the lockdown, we were not able to do the calendar for 2021.
Right.
So now, because he has got lots of painting with so we can make calendar and we can have an exhibition of his paintings and all that. I had a painting exhibition, and they were, most of them were my friend is there, so she took his paintings in her gallery, and they all were sold.
Wow.
So it was more encouraging for Julian also,
Right.
that he started doing paintings more nicely and more perfectly.
Right.
And then he loves cooking. So, without any fail, I thought that why don't he create his distinct passion, So I made him go to the cooking classes. There is a St. Andrews College over here in Mumbai. So there was 6 months course for the cooking classes. He joined there 2 years back, and now he is going to regular classes. Anushka Foundation is in Goregaon East, and he goes twice a week over there, and he learns. He can cook independently many dishes, many. He can bake also. He can make chocolates and all that.
Wow.
So I don't go for professors. I don't sell or anything, but I just give his friends and all that. I don't want to sell it all that. And he makes chocolates and he makes dishes. Then he shares with his friends and all that. He calls his friends, and then we have the dish made from him. Small shots. Because of the lockdown, there's so much gap. So again, from next month, he's going to start doing all this thing again. In the house also he cooks every day. He makes something or the other with me, and then he cooks for himself also.
Wow.
So this is the way he's interested. He is very good behavior. He listens to everyone. He loves music. He loves music. He can play keyboard. He has performed many stage programs in keyboard and singing also. And he sings also well. And then he loves to see movies and listen to the songs. He loves to go to in the plane. Now he doesn't. He loves to travel a lot. He loves to visit hotels and all that. He is really a foodie child. He loves really. And now also he wants to go in the plane. He sees plane. I say, no, now we can't go because a few months we are not able to go in the plane. Then he sees the plane, and then he says, why the planes are flying, then why can't we go in the plane? So this is his life, and we really accept him, my all family members, what he is and what he is interested in. So I make him he does whatever he wants to do. And now he just loves to do. He loves cycling. He loves cycling a lot. He goes for cycle. He loves cycling. He loves singing. He loves to eat. He loves to cook. He loves to painting. Now he is very perfect in painting.
Wow. So this is so good to hear, Manju, about how amazing he is at everything he does, and the fact that he does so many things. So he tries his hand at everything.
Yes. He goes for shopping. He goes to the bank to deposit his money. And every week he collects the points and he gets the money so he can spend in whatever he wants every week. Then the month, full month, he gets lots of money. Then he loves to buy the new CDs of Amitabh Bachchan, new pictures. He loves to buy CDs.
Wow. So he's a big fan of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, but now there are no CDs available.
Oh,
And so he feels sad that he's not able to buy any new cassettes, no CDs for Amitabh or Anil Kapoor, anything, Then we just give him the pen drive. He says, you can use the pen drive of all his pictures. He can operate everything and he can watch his movies. Saturday, Sunday, his favorite movies he watches, in the night.
wow. So this is, I think Julian is really an inspiration to even us who we don't do half of these things that he does.
Yes, he is listening very well. He's just sitting and listening what I'm talking about.
I can see him in very deep thought.
Yeah.
So he's thinking very deeply, and I think I've loved getting to know about Julian's life. I think it's really inspiring to us. And if Manju, if you were to tell a message to the parents out there or anyone else who's listening in today, what would that be?
The first thing I would say that we are blessed with special child, which God has chosen us. God wanted to send these children, and God was searching for the parents who will take care of them. And really, we are blessed with such children. And I think we should accept, as Sanjan's father said, that we should accept a child as they are. No one is perfect in the world, and we should encourage them. We should never say that this child cannot do this, cannot do this, cannot do. Instead, we said we have to see what they are able to do it.
Right.
What they are able to do it, and we should encourage them because they understand each and everything. They can understand more than me, and what we understand. They can read our face very well. These child are, they are in the world, but they are out of the world. You just see this world, how the world, the youngsters, how they are. And with this disability, they are living so happily.
Right.
There is always smile in them. At least Julian, with a smile, he wakes up. With a smile, he sleeps. What else the parents want?
True.
I don't want anything from the God. The God has really blessed us. Really, really. We can, instead of me teaching, he has taught us so many things in my life. To be patient, to love each and everyone, whether they are rich or poor, whatever it is. And always think positive, never think negative. You just, my son has taught, he has completely changed all our lives. We are so happy with him. He has got a sister, younger to Julian, 8 years younger, but she's married. And really, she is, we all friends, all neighbors, really love Julian. Really. And each of the parents should really love the child and accept them and never compare your child to anyone. Never compare. Never compare. Each child is unique.
Right.
Unique. They are really lovable.
Thank you.
I should say, in this world, if this child is in a family, you don't have any bad thoughts, you don't have any cruel thoughts, They are really God's gift. They are really lovable child,
Right.
So we are really happy to have children. And I think all parents of special children, they are really happy.
Right.
Thank
you. Yeah. Thank you so much, Manju, for teaching us such a valuable lesson,
And
that
thanks to you all also to give us such a big platform. This is the first time in my life I'm coming in this.
I think we are honored to have Julian with us because it's honestly, we don't do anything. It's their art work that is really spreading smiles and joy all across. I think anybody who wants to find out about Julian's art can go on to our website and check out his work. I think he's done amazing paintings. And it's something that is actually awe worthy. So Julian has done amazing art pieces, and you can go today and buy that as well. So thank you so much, Manju and Julian, for being with us today. I think
Didi. Thank you, Didi.
thank you, Julian. Thank you for being here.
He was listening very nicely.
Yes, thank you so much. I think from Anjan and Manju, one thing that we have really learned and a message that goes out to us is to be grateful for the children that we have.
Yes.
So they are really special, and that's their reality. That's the normal, our new normal. So I think we should be accepting of that, and then push them to do what they are good at. So just hold spaces where they can be their real selves and keep growing in that, and just continue smiling and spreading joy. So thank you so much for teaching that to us today, both Satish and Manju. And thank you, Julian and Anjan, for being here. And we are very grateful as an Atypical Advantage family to be having you guys as a part of our bigger family. So we are so grateful for that. And we want to thank everyone who was listening in today. So you can always go to our website and still order a portrait for your loved one if you still haven't done that. And you will find a lot of choices to choose from, which medium you want to choose a portrait of. So you can choose that and gift something to your loved one today. So thank you so much for joining in. We will meet next week, same time, same place. Until then, take care and continue spreading love and joy to everyone around you. So thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Riya. Thank you very much, Sakshi. Thank you very much, Vinay, everyone.